Meow. You're nothing like a kitten.
We tracked down your best friend.
How is this happening? 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 Oh, before he...
Sorry, I thought he loved you.
This is how he shows love, by grooming me and regurgitating on me. I can have our friends over. He was so possessive.
So why did you even get him?
I didn't. I wanted a kitten. Our neighbor was giving away their parrot. Since Petey can meow, my dad decided he was close enough. Meow. You're nothing like a kitten.